Hey guys, Nick here with AHB Tooling and Machinery. Today I'm going to be showing you an installation of our NexJen see-through separator, partnered with Blaser Swiss Lube BC940SW. This product includes all of the following shown when you purchase one of these units. Step one of our installation video is to find a secured, leveled, metallic foundation for the magnetic base. To simply hang the coalescer chamber onto the magnetic base. Connect the discharge hose with the supplied clamp. Attach our floating skimmer to our pump. We're going to connect the discharge hose to the coalescer chamber and pump. Position pump and skimmer in the tank. Now we're going to power the unit up.